Want your Facebook profile to look more professional and complete? Adding your work experience helps people understand your background instantly. Most users skip this feature even though it builds credibility. Today, I'll show you how to add work experience on Facebook step by step. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and practical Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step, add work experience on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone and sign into your account. This method works smoothly on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is updated for the latest layout. Stay on the home screen before moving ahead. Step 2. Open your profile icon to access your profile page. This is where all personal details and profile updates are managed. Look for the section that allows editing profile information. You're now ready to customize your profile. Step 3. Choose Edit Profile from your profile settings. Scroll until you find the Work Experience section. This area lets you display your professional background. Open it to begin adding details. Step 4. Search for your workplace and select the correct one. Add your job title clearly so people understand your role. Include your start date to show your work timeline. This helps your profile appear more structured and professional. If this tutorial is helping you build a better profile, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook profile and career-focused tips. Your support helps more people discover these guides. Step 5. Add your location and write a short description about your work. Keep the description clear and professional for best results. Review all information before finalizing. Select Save to publish the changes. Your work experience is now visible on your Facebook profile. Adding work experience makes your profile look more complete and trustworthy. Small profile upgrades like this can make a big first impression online. If this video helped you, subscribe and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your social media smarter. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and professional.